So today we're gonna make two different recipes. CHEFBINDO recipe, different recipes but the same preparation. One recipe is from Liguria, it's called Panissa. The other one is from Sicily, it's called Panelle. It's both made with chickpeas flour, salt, pepper, and for the panelle also some parsley chopped inside. So, what we need? Water and chickpeas flour. So, we turn on the fire. Put the water. Both of the recipes are street food. One between bread and the other is fried inside a piece of pepper. So you can walk and eat it. Salt. And we're gonna add our chickpeas flour. You have to strain. So 1 liter of water and 300 grams of flour. Okay, so now we let cook our chickpea flour for 10-15 minutes. Always mixing like this, and I'm gonna put also some black pepper. And we stir with a wooden spoon. So now the preparation is cooked after 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna put our preparation, our dough, in the container in this way. In an aluminum container we're gonna put some water inside, and for the panissa we're gonna put like this, a little bit thick. Okay. For the panelle we're gonna add some parsley inside, and the dough have to be thin in the container. Okay, now we have to cool down our preparation and also put in the fridge, and when it's very cold after we can finish our preparation, and I show you in which way. So after a few hours we put the panissa and the panelle in the fridge. We are ready. So for the panelle, for the film, we're gonna do in this way. First of all, we cut the bread with sesame seed on top, and we're gonna toast a little bit in the oven. And then we're gonna cut the panelle. You can do also thinner if you want. We're gonna cut, usually in Palermo you're gonna find square. You can do also, let's say, if you can do thinner. For your safety, it's better if you do before, because the knife can be very sharp. Okay, you see? Now it's very similar from the original one. I think this is enough. So we're gonna fry in seed oil. To become crispy on the surface, a little moisture in the middle. I'm gonna take the bread in the meantime. So you can see crispy outside and moisture inside. And we're gonna prepare our panino. So we take the panelle and then we put some salt, black pepper, and not everybody, but someone like to put a nice lemon juice on top. So we cover our panino. We can cut in half. This is a typical street food, eh? And we prepare also the panissa. The panissa, you remember, we say is a typical Ligurian and is the same dough, let me say, but we're gonna cut in different way. There is not parsley inside. And we're gonna go piece like this. You can keep also a little bit huger if you want. It's ready when it's nice and brown. Okay, I think this is ready. So we're gonna drain. We put some salt. And like I say, it's a street food, so you can serve in a little, I'm sorry, I don't know the name in English, cornucopia maybe. You walk and you have your chickpeas sticks to eat. So this is ready. Two beautiful, simple Italian dish, street food from Italy. I hope to be clear, you understand all the recipe, and see you next recipe. Ciao guys!